Alright, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a CTS-V Brake kit for a 2009 Pontiac G8. It's a conversion kit for it. This is going to come with drilled slotted rotors, new calipers, and pads. Let's get to it. Well, stickers all I came for. Okay, I'm just kidding. Here's the real unboxing video. You ready? First off, we have Power Stop Evolution Plus brake pads. We have actually have two genuine GM CTS-V brake calipers, which we'll open this one up right now to show you. Look at that. Look at that right there. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the condition of these. Now that's nice. That's really nice. Now everything's supposed to bolt right up to the car already, so nothing changes. You just put new calipers, new rotors and pads on it. One rotor. Two rotor. This one's already in the package still. Look at the size of this thing. Look how big that is. Nice clean ZZP performance rotor. This is the right one, so I'm assuming that one's the left. Here's size comparison. I am going to be installing these in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. Look at the size difference. That is massive. Massive size difference. Yeah, we'll be installing all this on this G8. We will be doing something with the rears somewhat soon, but for now, we're gonna keep it just how it is with the CTS-V kit in the front and the stock ones in the rear for now. And maybe when I get a supercharger, we will upgrade the rears. Let's get a good start for you here. Nice choppy start for you. Don't mind the dirty garage. Everyone's gonna start somewhere, right? Okay, doing the CTS-V conversion kit. You're going to want to start with removing your brake hose so it can drain a little bit. Tilt it up so you don't lose as much brake fluid. Still going to lose a good amount though. See there. Next, you're going to want to take out your bracket bolt, which is that one, and that one. Sorry, right there. And here you're going to want to pry your caliper and bracket off. Careful not to drop it on yourself. There that is. Here, you're going to want to cut just a little bit off to clear the bracket for your new caliper. Alright, the reason you have to cut it is because when you put your bracket and caliper on, you can't put the bolt in, and it hits right there at the top, right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut her down a little bit. Whoop. Now, after you did that, your caliper now clears on top and the bottom. Next step, put your rotor on. And you're going to put your caliper on. That's the part I have to do. Then you're going to want to put your new, not new, but reuse your old brake line. Slides in right there. This pad slides in back here. Not too far. Maybe not too far. That was a pro tip, by the way. Me sliding that pad back out. And this will going like so. And your brake pads are now in. Alright, it's been about 2 weeks with these brakes, and hands down best bang for your buck for brakes for a G8. For $670 I think is what they were. You can't really go wrong with them. That's such a great bargain. It's the best bang for your buck. I would highly recommend it for anybody who is on a budget and wants a huge rotor with upgraded calipers and pads. The stopping power on them is excellent. I have no other words for it, really. They're just good. I haven't had any problems with them. They don't get hot. There's no noise. I'm very pleased with the quality of them. So, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.